Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Warzone Mobile without lag. First, always close all unnecessary background applications before starting the game. This frees up valuable RAM and CPU resources for Warzone Mobile. Next, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage space. Finally, a simple restart of both your phone and Wi-Fi router can often resolve minor connectivity issues and improve overall game stability. To further reduce lag, dive into the game's settings. Set your graphics quality to low or very low to minimize the rendering load on your device. Disabling visual effects such as motion blur and depth of field can also significantly boost performance. Consider reducing your frame rate target to 30 FPS for a more stable and consistent gameplay experience, especially on older devices. Your network connection is crucial for lag-free gaming. Always prioritize a stable Wi-Fi connection over mobile data, as it generally offers lower latency. Position yourself closer to your Wi-Fi router to ensure you receive the strongest possible signal. Additionally, avoid any background downloads or streaming activities on your network while playing, as these can consume significant bandwidth and cause lag. Maintaining your device's health is key. Ensure your phone is charged above 50% while playing, as low battery can sometimes throttle performance. Regularly clearing your device's cache can also free up space and improve responsiveness. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your device cool also helps prevent performance drops during extended play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.